So the problem is, this indicator is supposed to be telling us the temperature outside, and this indicator is supposed to be telling us the time and the gear selection. As you can see, there's no pixels on the left and just a few on the right, and so we're going to have to take the instrument cluster out in order to effect this fix. So we have the instrument cluster out of the car, and here are the tools that we're going to need in order to effect a fix. We'll need a screwdriver, some tweezers, a pair of scissors, a toothpick, a tie wrap, a couple of pieces of foam which we're going to cut from a larger piece, and a Q-tip. In fact, the foam that we're going to use is this kind of stuff that you see most of the electronic equipment has a box with this at the bottom of it. So that's what this is. So the first step is to take off the 5 clips that are holding the front case on, the front bezel on. There's one here, a hidden one here, one down here on the bottom, and another one over here. Okay, so we have the front bezel off. Now we need to remove the back bezel. And to do that, we have 4 clips. This is the first one, the second one, the third one is on the side, and the fourth one is on the other side. So here's the circuit board with the bezels front and back removed. The areas we're going to be working on are here and here. There's a ribbon cable under both of these, and to access that we're going to have to raise the board off of these little clips here that are holding it down. There are 6 of them. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take one of those foam wedges that we cut and wedge it in between the pink foam that is original factory and has shrunk, and make it press the ribbon cable up against the circuit board and hopefully make better contact than it was. Okay, so our little piece of foam has been cut, and I've poked a hole with a toothpick, and I'm going to insert a tie wrap into it, as so. And to get it into the position we need it, we're going to take the tie wrap and put it in, wedge it in between the ribbon cable and the pink foam that has shrunk, and grab the other side, and now we will simply pull the foam through so that it extends both sides of the ribbon cable. Okay, so I've removed the tie wrap, and what we're going to do now is take the tweezers and push the foam back toward the factory installed pink foam to give us complete contact on the from the ribbon cable to the circuit board when we push the clip down into it. And now you see we have a perfect contact between the circuit board and the ribbon cable. So we're going to do the other side now. Got the wire tap on the piece of foam, come up in between the original pink foam, and just pull our foam through. Take off the wire tie, take our tweezers, push the foam down to the factory installed pink foam, and finally squeeze the circuit board back together. Once again, perfect contact. So after putting the covers back on and replacing the instrument cluster into the dash, let's see if our fix worked. Ha! 79 degrees and 441. Looks like it worked. Hope it helps, guys.